Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This time I will show you how to activate, update and adjust small bits of your Windows 10 operational system to run more quickly. As you can see from this fresh installation, my computer had set a screen resolution that actually doesn't fit my actual monitor size. Right click on desktop and select display settings. On the display resolution, choose the one that fits your monitor size. Then click Keep Changing. Now, another important step, we have to update the Windows drivers. Now click on the search bar and type Windows Updates, and then click on it. Another window will show up, and now we have to click on Check for updates. Wait till all the updates are downloaded and installed. It might take a long time depending on your computer's performance. After the Windows downloaded and installed all the updates, we need to restart the computer. Next step, we have to download a better browser than Microsoft Edge. So open Microsoft Edge. Type on the search bar Google Chrome and then click on Google official link. It should be the first one from the top of the list. Now click on Download Chrome. Open the file downloaded and press yes. Now wait till the download and the installation finished. You can choose to sign in or not. It's important to set as default our Google Chrome browser. So click on it, Set as Default button. As you can see, on the web browser is Microsoft Edge. So click on the Microsoft Edge and select Google Chrome. Click on Switch Anyway. And now close the window. Now we have to install a very useful browser extension. So open Google Chrome browser, search for Ad Blocker Plus, press enter. Then in the middle of the page, click on Get Ad Blocker Plus from Chrome. Now click on Add and then add an extension. Now close the window and open My Files, the same as my computer. And then right click on the blank space and choose Properties. Double check if your Windows is activated. If it doesn't, you need to buy a Windows product key. How to do that? It is simple and easy. Just follow the next steps. Open your browser, type google.com and write on the search bar Windows 10 product key. And you can see you will find a lot of good deals, which in my opinion is worth the money, rather than having an unlicensed Windows version. Now open again this PC and click on your Windows partition installed. Then right click and rename. And write Windows 10 as the name of this partition. In my opinion, It will help you in the future to identify which partition you should use for your file saving or installations. As you can see, the windows do not show all the partitions created because they are hidden. So we need to write on the search bar, create and format hard disk partition, and then click on it. If you are paying attention, one of the partitions from disk 1 is hidden. This specific partition has 281.25 gigabytes. So we need to right click on it, then select change driver letter and paths. Add, then OK. Now we have to do the same steps for disk 0. So right click, change driver letter and paths, add, then OK. Now moving back to this PC, the hidden partitions shows up now. Double click on each of them, then click format disk. Now click on the restore device false. Then click on the start button. Do the same steps for the next one as well. Now another important step is to defragment all the hard disks. Right click on any partition, select Properties, Tools, click Optimize, select all the partitions, click Analyze All, and then Optimize All. After finishing this defragmentation, click on Close Window. To make your computer run quicker, we have to right-click, select Properties. On the top left-hand side, we have to click on Advanced System Settings. We are clicking on Settings now. Next, click on Adjust for best performance. We have to tick a few essential visual effects. Click on Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. Show translucid, select rectangle, show thumbnails instead of icons, click on Save Taskbar Thumbnail Previews, enable pick and smooth scroll list boxes. Now click OK and OK. Moving forward, on the Windows search bar, search for apps and feature and look for the apps that are not useful for your needs. Click on each of them, then right-click on Uninstall tab. From my needs, Cortana, Feedback Hub, Microsoft Drive, Microsoft Solitaire Collection, Office, OneNote, Paint 3D, People, Skype, and weather are apps that are not useful for me. As fewer apps installed, better performance in Windows you will get. One last thing that I like to do on a fresh Windows installation is to change the theme from light to dark. To do this, right-click on the desktop and select Display Setting. Then left-click on Themes, then on Colors. For default Windows mode and for default app mode, select Dark. Also, if you would like to customize your secondary color, scroll down and click on your favorite second color. Now close this window and your new and fresh Windows 10 is ready to perform your needs way quicker now than the standard version. See you next time.